Hi guys, Chicago injury attorney Scott DeSalvo here, and today we're trying something a little bit different. You can see that we're shooting in my home office today instead of the other studio, and what we're doing now is a Q&A. So what's happening is people can submit me questions at calls@desalvolaw.com. That's calls@desalvolaw.com. And in addition to me answering the questions to you personally, I'm using those questions to create YouTube videos in the hopes that this information helps other people as well. Today we're answering questions from Danielle, who had a fall on a CTA bus, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Here's Danielle's question.
Hi, my name's Daniela. I fell on a CTA bus. It was raining and I got on the bus and the floor was wet. The driver pulled away really fast and I slipped and fell as I was sitting down. My lower back is hurt and my right leg is swollen. The CTA bus driver was a jerk, and the person at the CTA I spoke to early on was nice, but now she won't call me back. Do I have a case? And do I need a lawyer? Thanks, Mr. DeSalvo.
Thanks for that question, Daniela. I'm sorry to hear that you fell and were injured. But I want to tell you, years ago, it used to be pretty easy to settle a CTA fall. It used to be that the Chicago Transit lawyer, attorneys, and the organization itself were pretty reasonable about people who got hurt on the bus. But I would say for the past 10 or 15 years, the climate over there has really changed. CTA bus fall cases are very difficult these days. One thing you should know is that you should try to remember exactly how the fall occurred because all CTA buses are equipped with cameras now. So the cameras are equipped at the front of the bus, the back of the bus, and it even takes pictures of what's happening outside the bus. So it takes me a little while to get that video from the CTA, and I really can't get it until we file a lawsuit. So I always encourage my clients to try to remember exactly how they fell and what caused them to fall, because at some point there's going to be video of it. Sometimes the CTA plays games with the video, like they'll claim if the video is good for us, they claim that they lost the video. I've had that happen in several cases, but we have to have those ducks in line. Another thing that's really important in a CTA fall case is if you are with somebody on the bus, or you get the phone number of somebody who sees you get injured on the bus, having an independent witness or two or three really makes the difference in those claims. It's easy for a jury and the CTA to discount what you're saying about how you fell, but if we have a witness, it really helps us prove the case. So the last thing I want to talk to you about is your mechanism of injury. In other words, you described that you fell on the bus because it was wet and rainy and the bus pulled away quickly and you slipped and fell. Those are really tough cases to recover on. I've been able to recover on a couple of them and make settlements on them, but in front of a jury, they're very difficult. Usually, a successful CTA case involves the CTA bus driver losing control and running into something, or a car or a truck running into a CTA bus. Those are much easier cases to prove. Now, if that didn't occur in your circumstance, it doesn't mean that we can't recover in the case, but I think it's important for you and other people listening to understand that you really have a tough case. The CTA basically says, look, you know that our bus drivers drive in a jerky fashion. Everybody who's ever ridden a bus knows that. So it shouldn't surprise you when you get on the bus and the floor is wet on a rainy day and the bus driver drives the bus in such a fashion that the bus jerks and shakes. Look, we can recover on these kinds of cases, but we usually need a serious injury to justify taking the case all the way. If you still have any questions about a CTA bus accident or case, obviously the more information I have, the better information I can give you. So if you have any more questions, Daniela, or any of our other viewers, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can call me at 888-HURT-318, or you can order my book and DVD. The book and DVD is free and no obligation. You just go to my website and provide me your name and email address, and we send it out to you. I hope this information helps you and gives you some information about the quality of your case and what you should do with it. But if you have any more questions, by all means, speak with an attorney and provide them all the details, and they can give you some solid advice. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Or if you'd like to see more of my videos, click subscribe. Thanks again.
If you've been hurt, insurance treating you mean, call 888-HURT-318.